Good morning. Happy Wellness Wednesday. I'm Dr. Jen Dickens-Massey. I'm a physical therapist with a passion for wellness and prevention. That's why I created Genergy for Life and my posture parodies, where I make up silly songs about posture, body mechanics, and wellness. I have exciting news this weekend, October 12th at the Fountains at Gateway from 9 to 10 a.m. I have a free wellness event. I'm going to be teaching my posture repair class where I teach you to go from here and here back up to here to help you be happy and healthy and strong, because that is my mission for our community, wellness and positivity. So check that event out. There's going to be other wellness vendors there too, giving out lots of free information and snacks and other great things and prizes. So check it out October 12th at the Fountains at Gateway from 9 to 10 a.m. And also my online class is starting in November. So follow me at Genergy for Life to check that out too. Without further ado, let's begin the parody. Inspired by this calling to share my Genergy, I wanna fix your posture and keep you healthy. When you're sitting at your desk all day and you're slouching, there's a better way. I'm happy to teach it. I practice and preach it with my Genergy. Stand and take a stretch break. Don't look down at your phone. Some mini squats while waiting. Keep your muscles nice and toned. Exercise is so important. Keeps you happy, healthy, strong. We were made for movement, not to sit so long. Keep your stress down and your head raised up. Drink more water and please sleep enough. I'm happy to teach it. I practice and preach it with my Genergy. I'm happy to teach it. I really believe it with my Genergy. Don't forget, October 12th, 9 to 10 a.m., posture repair class at the Fountains at Gateway, and my online course coming in November. Have a great Wellness Wednesday. I'll see you next week.